Was this your new toy? Oh.
There you go, so you don't lose it. I like it, I like it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna need some hands here, boys.
Really?
Seriously.
Oh, look.
There you go. There you go. There. I don't have it. Come on, it's fucking safe. I don't have it.
Oh, careful, you gotta grab. It's gonna lose its.
Yeah, easy. There's a handle in the middle. You got it in the middle?
No fucking way.
What the fuck?
Look at it, it's safe. Look at the key in it. Look at the key up top.
Oh yeah, you know what it is? Just what you'd think you'd find on the side of the highway. Fucking cash register box.
You gotta
Coleman's
be
gonna
kidding
kill
me.
That's insane.
Dude, I cannot believe you just pulled this damn thing out. Dude, the key is still in it. Dude, that's been in there for a long time. Look at that. What cast was that? Maybe 5, 6?
Yeah, 5, 6, right. It wasn't much.